Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a rotisserie chicken in the oven. So if you want to learn how to make that, keep watching. First thing you're going to need is about a 5-pound chicken. And what I'm doing here with the chicken is I'm going to clean the chicken with some vinegar and lemons. So you can clean your chicken any way you want. This is the way I clean my chicken, and this is a very important step for me because I feel like when you clean your chicken has a different taste to it and a different flavor to it. So just make sure you always wash your chicken. You can see how dirty the water is. So what I'm going to do here is just clean the chicken twice or until the water turns out to be clear. So now that you clean your chicken, you just want to make sure you drain your chicken and pat your chicken completely dry. What we're going to do next is just stab holes all over the chicken, and this is just to ensure when you season the chicken, no part of the chicken gets left out. This is just ensuring that the seasonings just marinate well into the chicken. Now here I'm going to show you guys what seasonings I'm using. Here I have some Daniels, some smoked paprika, some Old Bay, some Lawrys, some thyme, some chicken bouillon, and some Cajun step. If you've been following me, you know I do not measure my seasonings. I kind of just eyeball it, but for YouTube, I kind of brought some measuring cups to show you guys about how much seasonings I use. So here I'm going to be showing you guys just what you would need next is 1 stick of butter, softened, and then some olive oil. So for my butter, I totally forgot to take it out. So what I did is I just microwaved it in the microwave. But for this video, just make sure you guys leave your butter out and let it get soft. With that, you're just going to add your melted butter, or in this case, your softened butter, into the seasoning. And you're just going to mix that all up together. And in this bowl, we're just going to add some seasoning, some more seasoning. And then we're going to add some ginger paste. As you can see, for the ginger paste, I didn't really have a specific measurement. I just eyeballed it, so you can do the same. So here I am bringing out my dish. You can use any pan you have, anything you have to put your chicken on, but this is all I have, so I'm just covering it with aluminum foil, and then I'm going to just grease that down. Now for the messy part, what I'm doing here is I'm adding a little bit of seasoning to the front part of the chicken, and I'm just going to work my way around the chicken with that bowl of seasonings. If you don't want to get too messy, I advise to put some gloves on. Me, I don't really mind getting my hands dirty in the kitchen, so I'm doing this with clean hands. And just really take your time with this part. You just really want to make sure that the chicken is well seasoned and all the seasonings are well combined into the chicken. This one's sure a juicy, flavorful chicken. Now, while I'm sitting here getting my hands dirty, I would love to know where my viewers are from. So if you guys don't mind, just comment down below what city or state you guys are watching me from. You you guys are enjoying my video, I suggest you guys go down below, click like, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting videos every week. Okay, now this is a secret of mine. Not mine, but my granny taught me this. In any poultry, and any chicken or turkey, this is my main ingredient on what I use. Mayo. Yes, mayo. Mayo is so good on chicken, and it gives the chicken so much flavor. That's all the mayo you need. You don't need any more mayo. Just don't add too much mayo because you don't want a mayo chicken, okay? This mayo is just for the flavor, the juiciness, and the tenderness of the chicken. For the veggies, here you will need fresh thyme, 1 onion, 1 whole garlic head, 1 apple, green onions, and something I forgot here was celery sticks. What we're going to do with all these veggies is basically just stuff it into the chicken. So you want to just cut your onion, your apple in half, your garlic, your thyme. You just want to stuff everything into the chicken. As for the apple, I did not use the whole apple. I only used half of the apple. Let me know down in the comments, what type of meat do you prefer? Do you prefer dark meat or do you prefer white meat? Me personally, I prefer dark meat. Don't be stingy with the thyme either. You know the thyme bring out the flavor in the chicken. So what I'm doing here is I'm just giving the green onion a little bang so it can get out all the flavor and the aroma out of it. You want to make sure you're also stuffing veggies into the back of the chicken. Okay, so now that all my veggies are stuffed into the chicken, what I'm doing here is I'm going to just sprinkle it with some paprika, and then I'm going to get some olive oil and then just drizzle that around the chicken. And then with my brush, I'm just going to brush the chicken all around with the olive oil and paprika on it. Now your chicken is ready for baking. So what you're going to do now is preheat your oven to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're going to bake it for about 2 to 3 hours. Make sure you're checking it about every 30 minutes and basting it. I forgot to record the finishing results, but I did get a little snippet of my plate, and this is the nice piece of chicken. Juicy, tender, and delicious. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you liked my video, Don't forget to let me know down below. See you guys soon.